The heartbreaking reason that Prince Harry did not bring Archie and Lilibet to the UK before the Queen's death. Prince Harry and Meghan Markle told the Home Office that the family was planning to travel to the UK in September 2022, days before Queen Elizabeth's death. Welcome to Royal Pancakes. Please don't forget to subscribe and click the notifications bell, so you don't miss anything about the British royal family. Prince Harry and Meghan Markle had plans to bring Prince Archie and Princess Lilibet with them to the UK from September 2 until September 11, 2022, but their security has been blocked. According to information in the judicial review ruling in the Prince's Security Court case, the Sussexes informed the Home Office in August of their plans to travel to the UK, just days before Queen Elizabeth's death. The following week, the Royal Executive Committee and VIPs met to decide what type of security arrangements should be in place, but their decision was rejected by Harry's lawyers as clearly unlawful and inappropriate. Rivik stood firm and did not deem it necessary or appropriate to reconsider his decision, even after the Duke of Sussex spoke to the body on a video call to express his concerns. Harry and Meghan had plans to attend charity events in the UK during their time there, with Rivik deciding on security before details of those visits were announced. Harry and Meghan resigned as members of the royal family in 2020, and as a result lost their right to taxpayer-funded security when they are in the UK. In the US, they have their own security detail, which costs them a whopping £1.58 million a year, but following the decision to strip them of their security in the UK in February 2020, Harry brought a lawsuit against the Home Office. His lawyers argued that it was illegal to remove his guard, but the Supreme Court found on Wednesday that this was not the case and that the decision taken by the Home Office still stands. Judge Sir Peter Lane found that there was no breach of law in reaching the decision to review his security, adding, "Any departure from policy was justified. The decision was not irrational. The decision was not tainted by procedural unfairness." Following the ruling, a legal spokesman for the Duke said, "The Duke of Sussex will appeal today's ruling rejecting his claim for judicial review against the Rafik decision-making body, which includes the Home Office, the Royal Household and the Metropolitan Police. The Duke is not asking for preferential treatment, but rather a fair and lawful application of Rafik's own rules, ensuring that he receives the same consideration as others in accordance with Rafik's written policy." In February 2020, Rafik failed to apply its written policy towards the Duke of Sussex and excluded him from a risk analysis. The Duke's case is that the so-called bespoke process that applies to him is no substitute for risk analysis. He added, "The Duke of Sussex hopes to obtain justice from the Court of Appeal and will not comment further while the case continues."